Okay, so to upload images to the system, I have a test account in here. So I'm going to look at a test account. We go to edit, and then we're going to scroll all the way down to the website settings. My test account is not currently set to display on the website, so I'm going to press display on website and press save so that we can see it over there. And then I'm going to press add account image. And I'm just going to select one of the images that's already in here, just for simplicity's sake. But you could upload an image from here also. So then we see this is the image I want to use. Then we're going to scroll down here, and you'll see we have all the crops that you use for any of the features on the site over here, and the one that we're looking for will be in green, and we don't have a crop of this image already, so I'm going to press crop image 600 by 400. Going to press OK. It'll then load this image. I can like zoom in on it, I can move it around, and pick however I want it to look on the page, and then I'll press save crop. And then we'll scroll down here, and then I'll press select photo. And on mine, it doesn't, for some reason, it doesn't automatically update, but for everybody else it does. But if I press save, and then I scroll down here, then I'll see this image. So then, if we go over to Visit Corvallis, and I'm checked this one as an arts and culture account, so then we'll scroll down and we'll see that my A test account has this image here, and then I just noticed that Dusty does actually already have the logo upload here, so I'm gonna go back and see if this test account doesn't have an image on here, because how it's set up is if there is an image will show in the listing. If there's not and you load a logo, then the logo will load. So let's see. And for this one, I'm going to upload an image, and I'm going to try and find a logo that we can use. And let's just put this logo in. And then we'll scroll down, and if you don't upload an image into a folder, it'll always be the first image after the folders that shows up. So in this case, logos we don't want to crop because they don't always play well when you're cropping. So instead of scrolling down here, you'll see all of these are red because we're not going to crop logos. Instead, we're just going to press select photo. And see, this time it populated. I don't know why it doesn't do it for me when I do an account image. But then let me press to display on the website, and I'm going to add it to arts and culture. And I'm going to change this to a Jenny's test account so that it will show up first. And then let's refresh this page. Oops. How come you're not showing up here? Oh, because this is set to non-member. Okay. Okay, so the logo part is not complete. Dusty must be working on it right now because it doesn't have an image, so it's not displaying this. But in the meantime, you can upload any logos up into this section, and then Dusty will be able to pull them and display them once the display side is working. So if you have an account that's not working, or you've tried this and you can't see the image on the front end, If you can send me the account and the image that you're trying to use, then I can troubleshoot if it's just something with that particular image or that account.